Most people think no-code platforms replace developers completely, but here's the surprising truth. They change how software is built, not who builds it. Today I'm reviewing Betty Blocks and whether it's right for you. Betty Blocks is a no-code and low-code platform that helps businesses create custom applications without heavy programming. It's used for internal tools, workflows, and business systems. The platform uses visual blocks to design apps. You drag, connect, and configure logic instead of writing code. Most people get this wrong, but no code does not mean no thinking. You still need to understand processes, data flows, and logic. In my experience, Betty Blocks is powerful for building dashboards, portals, and automation tools. It integrates with APIs and databases easily. You won't believe what happens next. Tasks that take weeks with traditional development can be built in days. The interface is clean and structured. Non-technical users can learn basics quickly, but advanced features require training. Now the downsides. Pricing is not cheap. Betty Blocks is targeted at businesses, not solo creators. There is also a learning curve. It's easier than coding, but not as simple as website builders. Customization is strong, but full control still requires technical understanding. So who should use Betty Blocks? It's ideal for companies that need internal systems fast without hiring full dev teams, but small personal projects may find it overkill. The surprising truth about no-code tools is that they shine most in business automation, not public websites. If this review helped you understand modern app building better, subscribe for more honest tech platform reviews before committing to expensive tools. Title start NAB reward signature credit card review watch before you apply title BNB script start most people chase credit cards with flashy rewards. But here's the surprising truth. Not all reward points are equally valuable. Today I'm giving you an honest review of the NAB reward signature credit card and what you should know before applying. This card is designed for everyday spending with a focus on earning points for groceries, fuel, and online purchases. Points can be redeemed for flights, merchandise, or gift cards. The application process is straightforward. You apply online, submit your financial details, and wait for approval. NAB generally considers your income, credit history, and existing debt. Most people get this wrong, but the key to this card isn't just earning points, it's how you manage them. Rewards are only worth it if you redeem them smartly. You won't believe what happens next. Some users accumulate thousands of points, but redeem them inefficiently, getting far less value than expected. The card comes with benefits like complimentary travel insurance, extended warranty on purchases, and access to select offers and promotions. These perks add value beyond the points themselves. The annual fee is on the higher side, but often offset if you maximize rewards. Make sure your spending habits align with the categories that earn the most points. Now the downsides. Interest rates are high, typical for rewards cards, so carrying a balance can erase all the benefits. Also, points expire after a certain period, so unused points are lost. The card is best for regular spenders who pay off balances in full each month. Casual users may not earn enough points to justify the fee, so who should apply? Frequent shoppers and travelers who can strategically use the rewards. But if you rarely spend in reward categories, there are better no-fee options. The surprising truth about the NAB Reward Signature credit card is that it rewards planning and discipline, not just spending. If you manage it well, it can be a powerful tool, but mismanagement can cost you. If this review helped clarify the real value of this card, subscribe for more honest credit card insights before you apply.